My name is Marc Rees and I'm an artist, and the Arts Council came to me for an idea to launch the Get Creative campaign. And the Get Creative campaign is a campaign kind of established by the Arts Council Wales and BBC Wales, and it's a campaign to literally get people to be involved and to embrace and to get creative, to be involved in the arts. And thinking about it, I wanted something which is kind of bold, kind of brave and brassy, and I wanted something which is kind of large and which would have an impact. And I thought, well, who is our most kind of iconic cultural figures, kind of internationally renowned, and the person that I love is Dame Shirley Bassey. And I thought, wow, wouldn't it be great to have a massive figure of Shirley and perhaps kind of erect her in an incongruous place, but make that connection really important. So I wanted to put her in the grounds of Caernarfon Castle, but also I wanted to kind of marry her with another kind of iconic kind of Celtic figure, and that being Boadicea, who is the kind of warrior queen, the Celtic warrior queen. And I like that kind of marriage. And also, if you think of Shirley, she is kind of emoting, she's so emotional in her song. And I thought, wouldn't it be great to take that, a snapshot of her emoting, but also I wanted it to be quite shocking, so I'm going to remove her heart. You know, if you take away Shirley's heart, well, you've got nothing, haven't you? And if you take the art from any community, you've got nothing left. It is the lifeblood of any community.